sign numbers, we also call them integers. That just means the positive and negative numbers. Now, you've been working with positive numbers your whole life. 5 and 5 is 10. They're positive numbers. So when we say sign numbers, we just start putting the sign on the negative ones. We don't usually put a plus sign on the positive. We assume it's positive. Okay. There's two methods for adding integers, for adding signed numbers. You can use the number line, and that's the way we'll start. And then there's another method. When the number line is just too clumsy, then we use a three-step process. But the main thing is when we get to algebra, and a little bit of basic algebra will not kill you. When we get to algebra, you're not going to want to have minus signs lying around. Subtraction becomes the operation of subtraction. That minus sign can cause problems. And I want to teach you how to get rid of that minus sign. Okay, so let's consider. So subtraction must be changed to addition as follows. So I'm going to show you briefly how to change a subtraction problem and make it an addition problem. But also we're going to start using the number line to do addition. And okay, 6 minus 3 equals 3. On the number line, we start out at 6. We go to the left, 1, 2, 3. When we subtract 3, we go to the left, 1, 2, 3. 6 minus 3 gives us an answer of 3. That's normal. We've been doing that a long time. Done here. I took that minus sign and I made it a plus sign. And I can do that through magic. No, it's not magic. I've changed the positive 3 to a negative 3. And usually when you've got a negative number, you put it in parentheses. The parentheses just serve to kind of keep the negative sign separate from the addition, or in any case, we put it in parentheses. So now we have a problem 6. So I've changed minus 3 to plus negative 3. And I'll show you how it works. It works the same as a subtraction, except that we get rid of the plus. 6 plus a negative 3. So we're at 6, just as we were before. And when you add a negative 3, you're doing the same thing as subtracting 3. You go to the left. You go to the left 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. And again, we're at 3 here. So 6 plus a negative 3 is equal to 3 also. What the heck? Why would we bother to do that? It'll save your life when you're doing algebra problems or this thing called distribution later, to be able to get rid of that minus sign. Get rid of the subtraction sign, put in a plus, and change that number to a negative. So minus 3 becomes plus a negative. And it works the same way. So, okay.